The best after-sun products should contain deep moisturizers such as vitamin E to help to replenish any moisture that is lost from being outdoors. Such moisturizers hydrate the skin but do not generally leave you feeling greasy after use. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, you might consider looking for a product that specifically states it is non-comedogenic or does not clog pores. Another important feature contained in the best after-sun care remedies is aloe vera extract, which decreases inflammation of the skin and reduces the chances of burns. Aloe vera gels are the most common form of after-sun products because they soothe the skin from burns and leave behind just the right amount of moisture. Some consumers, on the other hand, prefer light moisturizing lotions instead of sticky gels. If you choose a lotion or a cream, ensure that it contains vitamin E as well as aloe vera extract to soothe your skin properly. Even the best after-sun products might not be enough to treat severe burns. If your burn is extremely painful and accompanied by nausea and a fever, then you may have sun poisoning and should see your doctor immediately. In conjunction with moisturizing products, your physician might prescribe a topical corticosteroid to reduce pain and heal the skin. You should also take care to avoid further sun exposure until your condition dramatically improves. It is important to wear sunscreen in order to protect your skin from ultraviolet rays when you are outdoors. At the same time, after-sun care is just as important to reduce the risk of dryness and peeling. Even if you wear sunscreen, the best after-sun product might decrease your risk of burns further than if you were to skip on the use of such skincare items.